Hello to all you people out there. My name is Jackson.
And I'm Alecia.
Today we will be talking about if plants can survive in a jar.
Have you ever wondered if a plant would survive in an airtight jar exiled from the rest of the world that we don't water?
We have seen the plant not only survive but thrive. The process is that keeping the plant alive is called transpiration. In this video, we will be talking about this process and how the plant does it. Transpiration is actually part of the water cycle.
This amazing process is the responsibility of pores called stomata. However, they do start in the roots with the intake of water.
The roots suck up the water and transfer it to the xylem. The water travels up the xylem and part of the vascular system of the plant into the leaves where the sun gives nutrients to the plant in order to do the process of photosynthesis.
This is how it works.
The vascular system allows the water to travel from the roots to the leaves of the stomata are on the bottom of the leaf, except for some exceptions, but we'll get to that later in a topic that we will talk about in a later video. However, there are two different types of plants: vascular, like trees, non-vascular, like moss.
Vascular plants are the type of plants that are included in this video. The experiment that we are doing only includes these vascular plants, so we won't go into depth with the non-vascular plants. The only thing that you need to know about them is that they do not have xylem or phloem, but they do still have stomata.
Another part of the stomata are the guard cells. These cells control how much CO2 the plant receives and how much water it lets go out.
Depending on the elements, the guard cells will open or close. The only problem with this is that CO2 cannot get in and the air and oxygen cannot get out. The water in the plant is let out through the stomata. Then the water condenses on the glass, causing a precipitation type effect. The water falls into the dirt and the roots suck it up, and so the cycle continues.
Wait, if the plant is sealed in a jar, why doesn't it run out of air?
Good question. There are two processes, photosynthesis and cell respiration, that helps a plant survive.
Oh, I remember now. When the sun is out, the plant will do photosynthesis, the process in which the plant takes in CO2 and turns our O2. And cell respiration, however, makes the CO2 and takes in O2.
Just to clarify, plants are always doing cell respiration. It's just masked by the photosynthesis in the daytime. Photosynthesis will stop during the night.
Right. The plants could survive if we weren't on the planet because they make both carbon dioxide and oxygen. Plants in the CO2, aka carbon dioxide, that humans breathe out and put out oxygen that we need to breathe.
The part of the plant cell that is responsible for these changes is called the chloroplast. They're the reason that the plant is green. They collect the red and blue light and reflect the green. They take in the CO2 and create O2 as a waste. The entire cell makes CO2 as it does its duty.
There you have it, folks. That's the reason why the plant is alive.
Thanks for watching.